Okay, if I want to join the two columns and write and in between, so it's ruler and ruler, for example, so I can just write this con uh, equals concatenate, and the first one, click, sorry, click on the first one, and then comma, and then the click and then space, so that there's space between ruler and ruler, and then the second one, sorry, and then the second one I need to select, then press comma, sorry, and press the second one and press enter. So you can have a look at that. So I'll do this again, equals con, and then first one, comma, and space, comma, and second one. uh, I will just add a space here and press enter. So if I don't add a space, for example here, it will just join with that pen, and so I need to add a space here and a space before and after and then press enter. So there should be a space before and after and. Okay.